we're waiting for this, guys. Cammy's on. Cammy's on. Back here in this terrible weather. Why do we keep doing this? Yeah, but today we just want to have fun, so we'll put some brusher rods out and then we're just going to scratch it out. I think you're going to see me fish the smallest rod I've ever fished with on this channel. Let's see! Oh yeah, he's watch Cameron space today. Let's get the brusher bits out. Oh, and I have a special bait today too. I'll show you guys something different. Pakra? Yeah. Hey, bro. I said I wanted to go today. You said let's go fishing out.
Okay, so I can't run.
Me too, I can't run. I'll crawl. I'll roll. I'll roll. I'll roll like I think I'm gonna roll today. Almost I'll say you never know. You might have just tied the line to the rock and then... Don't be mean, Ken. What's wrong with you? Yeah, so guys, I got a slightly different face because I'm trying something different today. So I'm trying a different bait. The water looks, I almost want to steal Ken's thing and say, look at machine. Well, it looks like a washing machine. Oh, it looks so fishy. Yeah, let's see what you're doing. Can make sense, bro?
I'm doing old faithful muscle, guys.
How's the wind?
I don't know if you can yas.
I was going to tell them drop a leg if you can yas. What if they can't yas? Not like the video. So hey guys. So there's a bait, guys. It's a bait I saw some time back. I tried. It's a crayfish. Actually the feelers part, so let's see if it works. First things first. This is my setup. Let's try. Blackie. There's a hook, guys. Small hook. Lovely. They caught a fish. I got stuck. Second throw, guys. Got another one. It's happening. It's good.
Wow!
Ah, came out! They put a open boy. Oh, check out, guys. Oh, guys, I'm going to show you Cammy and his new reel. Don't know what he's doing here.
Like a pro.
Yang got that bait. Ah, bro. Okay, I guess Cammy throwing here, guys. Okay, wait.
Come on, come here, give me credit.
How's it, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we're back out here today on another crazy mission in this rain and cold and wind. But yeah, Yam and I are gonna persist. Got a fish. Actually, we want a fish. And yeah, so today's plan is target a garrick. There has been some garrick, late season garrick around, and also a brusher. Need to get a good size one. So yeah, stay tuned, stick with us, and let's see what happens. Oh, here, guys, raining. Water doesn't look bad. Oh, the stuff looks full though. Yeah, this is the conditions, so let's see what we can do with it. Let's get a fishy.
How's it, guys? We in the rain again, fishing for the brusher. You can see got a small mussel. So if the brusher wants it and take it, it's not gonna miss it.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna sit this one out and try our best to get to a fish. Hopefully you come back. Hopefully the audio is good too because it's raining. I hope the net is alright. Finish! Yeah! Exciting, bro, exciting. Have you seen that? This is the one guys. There you go. There guys. There you go. Look the light. In the rain. Lucky fishing in the rain.
Happy guys? How's our weather for fishing?
We've been getting the fish now. We got the fish. Just for you guys.
I think we should go home just now though. Let's give you a glimpse of the rain, a slight glimpse of the rain.
Look at this. Woo!
It's raining buckets. But we are fishing.
Getting a bite. Guys, we put a mussel on here. Cammy's rod. Trying to get him a fish today. It's a small, I think 3 or 4. I'm using a small mussel. Not using anything big. Small mussel.
Put that mussel in an amazing place, man. Put that one in a perfect place. I threw it, I need it out again, I threw it again.
Hey guys, so we'll do another bait demo for y'all how we put the mussel on. It's raining and I don't know the audio is nice, so
Doubt it.
doubt, so we're just gonna fish and see. Hold this here. Come out here. Should come out there. Okay. Just gonna knock this in.
Yeah.
Okay, that's about it. Nice and proud. Chuck this in and see what happens. Go, Sam, go! Watch out, eh? So we're waiting for this, guys. Cammy's on! Cammy's on! Go on the surf! Go, 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 go! Let's go on the rock, go! See if I can get down.
Lucky you were just in the road, yeah.
Yeah, you want to be So come on. Go there. Okay, yeah. Do it slowly. Yeah, don't just bring him, bring him. Bring him out of the line. Yeah. It's okay size, right? Yeah. Right. Go walk there. Take it under. Yes, Cammy! There's a pressure, my boy. Well done. Yeah, guys, how's this weather? He got his brusher. Well done, Cammy.
Right guys, there you see it. Me and Kino got one brusher each. Kino's one slightly bigger, actually a lot bigger than mine.
I can't do all the hard work today, guys. Put the baits out. We got lucky. Top day.
Right. I hope you all enjoyed the video.
Yeah. Capital is a bit smaller, so we're gonna
Put it back.
And this one's going home for the pot.
Alright,
Cheers, guys.